Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the driver alert system on or off on the Seat Arona. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. The driver alert system detects driver fatigue and will alert you if you are losing concentration. It will alert with a visual display on the dashboard as well as a warning sound. Tap the car button to the right of the screen. Then tap Settings at the bottom of the car menu. Choose Driver Assistance from the options. Scroll down to Driver Alert System. To the right of Active, you can see a checkbox. If there is a check in the checkbox, then the driver alert system is active. If there is no check in the checkbox, then the driver alert system is switched off. To turn the driver alert system on or off, tap Active. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Seat Arona tips and tricks.